guys, Thomas Randle here, driver of the number 55 Castrol Racing Mustang for Tickford Racing. Now, braking performance on the racetrack is critical for us, and it's just as important out on the roads. That's where the 4000 series brake upgrade package for your Ford Raptor from DBA is important. Now, what makes this rotor so much better than the OEM that comes with the car is that you have this anti-rust surface on all the non-frictional areas of the rotor. Now, that's great for if you're driving off-road, you're going through seawater, dams, rivers, all that sort of thing that really can affect the life of one of these rotors. Now, another great feature of this upgraded rotor is all these patterned vanes that you can see around the rotor. Now, what this does is this releases all the hot gases that come while you are under heavy braking. So this just increases performance and is much more safe while heavy braking. Now, just like our race car, what we have here on the top of the rotor are thermographic paint markings. All three of these are different colors, so what they will do is change to white at different temperatures. So what that allows you to do is monitor your brake rotor's temperature so you can get the maximum out of your braking. So you've got your rotors, now you need the extreme performance brake pads to go with it. Now, these brake pads offer high friction performance across the whole temperature range. So since I've installed this package on my Raptor, I've had increased brake performance. My brake distances are a lot shorter, the feel I get through the pedal is better, I don't really have any squealing at all when I press the brakes, and overall just increased brake performance. I've driven a lot of race cars in my time, I've pressed the brake pedal thousands of times. I love passing people under brakes, knowing that I have the full confidence under braking to pull the car up. Now, I get that exact same feeling when I've got this brake package installed on my Raptor. Think safety, think performance, think DBA. Available from all good retailers.